Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a Diehl number 55 straight line ripsaw. If you have questions about pricing or availability, please go to 360degreemachinery.com. Also remember that all of our machines are always located right here in Naperville, Illinois. Also remember that we are processing anywhere from 40 to 50 additional machines, and we do not list machines until they are thoroughly cleaned and checked. So come back often. This is a Diehl number 55. It's really a testament to Diehl that these machines are around. I mean, I think one of the issues that Diehl has is that machines from 60, 70, 80 years ago can still run and be serviceable. I mean, it's just really one of the beautiful things about companies like Diehl. And they're a really, really nice company to deal with. 16-inch blade capacity. 15 horsepower main motor back here. You're going to have 3 horsepower on the drive. The only repair that we saw was on this back table. Someone brazed right here. But obviously it's below the feed, but it still exists, and we want to tell you about that. The chain was replaced at some point. It's in above average condition. If you look, it is really, really nice and sharp. I wouldn't say excellent, I wouldn't say very good. I would put it in good condition. We're really picky. I know you're probably looking at this saying, Brian, I have seen chains way worse than that. And some of you are going to say I haven't seen a chain that nice, but by our standards, we would rate this in good condition. We have definitely had excellent machines in excellent condition, and this one is in good. Another thing to check when you buy one of these machines is how flat that chain is sitting. And when we look at this chain, this right-hand side does have a small toe in of about ½ a degree. I'm being real anal retentive on that, but I'm going to tell you that that is present. We just actually give you all the facts about a machine, and that's what we're going to tell you, that there's a slight toe in right here. So this toes down this way. So this, where my finger is pointing, does toe down ever so slightly. Again, we're telling you everything here. 2.5-inch thickness capacity. It gets a little tricky when we look at what this machine can cut to the right of the blade. So if we go from center to your supports, technically it's 21.5 inches, but if you take a look, obviously the support is rounded up, so it will vary depending, but you basically have 21 inches to about right here, and obviously it's going to get a little bit less. There's way over 19, you know, if you were going to do the full 2.5, so you're going to get about a 20, 20.5, 21 inch to the right here. If you're running 4/4, 21 easily. It does have a manual drip oiler. What that means is you're simply going to have to turn this every time you turn the machine on, and it's going to just gravity feed down. It does function as it should. Slightly leaky a little bit. There's a little seepage around this top fitting, but other than that, it really does function. We did open this up and cleaned out. There's still the original Diehl filter bag in there. It's pretty cool, or at least an old one. It's just a cloth bag. It's really cool. Let's see, what else do we have? Take a look at that arbor real fast. Now what's really neat about this machine is this. It is a really, really quiet running machine. So you basically have 4 speeds, 1, 2, 3, and your 4th speed is down here. There's your 2nd feed speed. Click it into your 3rd. And again, even in the highest speed, it's a really nice, quiet running machine. What I can tell you is that this is not the original feed chain. It was replaced. The track was also replaced. We did rotate the chain. Rotating the chain basically means you take the right side and put it on the left and the left to the right, so this way they wear evenly. But we want to tell you that we did rotate that chain. The reason why we do that is we want to inspect all components. The only way to really inspect the track and your race back here, the gear that pulls the chain through, is to take it apart. So we always pop the chains on our straight lines. Again, if you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.